Do you know how to add two numbers in Python using 5 methods? Last method is important for higher level and for interview. It is good to know all. It will help to recall many concepts, for example, binary addition too.
Welcome to online programming for the Python, especially those who cannot, download the heavy Python sometimes. They want to try. So Program is the free platform and easy to go for beginners. So let's see how to add two numbers in the simple way. And you can see here other languages are also there. All right, you can see the Python is there. All right, you can see Java is there because it is in the syllabus, so maybe especially for class 6, 7, 8, 9 onwards it will help. So let's see here, and first of all here, from here you can share your program. So run option will help you to run your program, and output panel is here only. Simple, you have to keep clicking the moment run option you click, and then you will get the execution and then answer, and then remember to clear it. Alright, so like for example, in a simple way, if I want to print two numbers addition, so directly you can write simple print and then whatever the number is there. Okay, it's for the beginner, remember it. Alright, you should know that what is possible in Python. Alright, and now if I run the command, you can see very well that the answer is 13. Alright, so see how we are using the terminal window and how it's printing the answer. Right, this is the way compiler is, it's compiling, and then error, and what is a successful message, code execution. Alright, if you want to clear the result, you can click from here. Alright, now let's see the another method. Another method means taking that variable. Alright, so A will represent my first number, and then press enter. Already press enter to go to the next slide. B is equal to again second number, and then I want to store it somewhere, so we can say, like for example, result. Okay, result is equal to A plus B. Right, and then of course we have to give the command also. Alright, it should know that okay, print and then simple result. Right, so you can see, let's see, first of all run the command. Okay, and you can see 9 7 16. All right, so you can see that you got the result, and in first line I have initialize, all right, a variable, and I have declared its value 9. Here B is equal to 7, and then this is the exact correct formula. Result is equal to A plus B. All right, and then print. And one more important thing, that see parentheses. All right, these parentheses, it's highlighting itself, even it appears itself, it closes itself, so it is a good guideline for you so that you don't struggle with that syntax error. All right, can we try another method? So it was with the help of the variable, and you don't have to tell the computer that which kind of variable you are taking. Actually in Python this facility is there. I will discuss more, but just to develop the interest, let's see in which way we can do the addition. Another way is that using that augmented method. So like I'm saying count, and count is my 10, and then here I'm writing count, all right, plus is equal to 5. Okay, and then I'm going to print count. Right, so you can see the shortcut of the formula here. I have used plus and is equal to sign, that is called augmented. Okay, and then remember to run. All right, so you can see very well that the other answer has come 70. So today I'll finish this much, and just keep watching the next part of the video where I will share other methods too. Alright, so today you have just seen in this 3 methods, and I will share very soon another 2 methods. Let's see in which way the addition is possible. So I'm not going to tell you here that do subtraction or this division or multiplication. In the same way it will be there. So I will show you the example of the especially this addition, and then rest you can follow the other operators, all right, other calculation you can do yourself. So good luck, keep watching, remember to subscribe. Alright, so you saw last time we had three methods to add a number. Today we'll learn another. That is a built-in function, means the function is already there. Okay, so like for example, result. Already I'm taking direct. Okay, here I'm taking direct number like result. Okay, result is equal to what do I want? I want sum, and then sum parenthesis, see already automatically it has created. Then we have to use square bracket. Children, you should know very well. See, the moment you put first bracket, another square bracket, it is already created. And what do I want? Like my first number is 4, and then my second number, put the comma, and another number is 8. So see, half of the syntax it is completing itself, and then simple you have to write print result. Okay, so this will be your third method. And then let's run the code. Oh, what is that missing code to print? Did you mean print? Oh, any spelling mistake? Print. Oh, yes, myself I forgot the parentheses. Oh, so this is called your syntax error. Yes, you should know very well that if I have forgotten. So syntax error means the way I have to type the code and I have not typed. So it will notify you missing parenthesis in call to print. Did you mean print? It is giving you a suggestion too. So now let's run the code again. Right, so now you can see it's 12 answer. Alright, now next one we'll see that we have the operator. Alright, so let's see that too. Right.
Bitwise operators, the computer science way. If you want to feel like a low-level wizard, you can add numbers using bitwise logic, XOR and AND gates. This mimics how a CPU actually performs addition at the hardware level. This function is a beautiful piece of low-level logic. It mimics how a computer's physical hardware, logic gates, performs addition using XOR, AND, and shift operations. To understand this line by line, let's use the binary versions of your numbers. 5 in binary, 0, 1, 0, 1. 10 in binary, 1, 0, 1, 0. The variable b acts as the carry holder. We keep the loop running as long as there is a carry that hasn't been added to the main sum yet. Once b hits 0, it means all carries have been processed. This line finds where the carries are. In binary math, 1 plus 1 results in a 0 and a carry of 1. The AND operator only returns 1 if both bits are 1. In your example, 5 and 10, 0, 1, 0, 1, 5. 1, 0, 1, 0, 10. AND result, 0, 0, 0, 0. There are no positions where both have a 1, so the carry is 0. A equals A parrot B. This performs the addition without carry. The parrot operator returns 1 if the bits are different, 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0. If they are the same, 1 plus 1, it returns 0. This effectively adds the bits, but drops the carry. In your example, 5 and 10, 0, 1, 0, 1, 5, 1, 0, 1, 0, 10. XOR result, 1, 1, 1, 1. In decimal, 1, 1, 1, 1 is 15. B equals carry greater than 1. This takes the carry we found earlier and shifts it 1 position to the left. Just like in decimal addition, if you have a carry from the ones column, you move it to the tens column. In your example, since carry was 0, shifting it left still results in 0. Why the loop exists, the what-if scenario. In your specific example of 5 and 10, the loop only runs once because there were no overlapping ones, no carries. But look at what happens if we add 5 and 7. Think and answer through comment.